Building an audiophile music collection and dealing with TAC lossless audiophiles? This is a less common but high-performance lossless format with excellent compression ratios. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these Tom's lossless audio compressor files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like TAK. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A TAK file is a lossless audio format created by Tom's lossless audio compressor. Users encounter this format when seeking high-fidelity audio compression that offers better ratios than FLAC. The primary user intent is to play this high-quality audio, or convert it to a more common format for device compatibility. The TAK format is a binary file designed for maximum lossless compression. It uses advanced prediction and entropy coding algorithms to reduce file size without discarding any audio data. This design choice prioritizes audio fidelity and storage efficiency over widespread compatibility, targeting audiophiles and archivists who demand pristine quality. FooBar 2000, developed by Peter Pawlowski, serves as the industry application standard for TAK. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows supports simple audio playback, but robust editing features are only available in dedicated tools. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your TAK file and choose Open With. Test FooBar 2000 first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If the TAK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We've got this under control. If the TAK file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, playing in FooBar 2000. Install FooBar 2000 along with the TAK decoder component from foobar2000.org. The component enables native TAK playback with full replay gain and gapless playback support. Drag TAK files into FooBar 2000 or open through File, then Open to play with audiophile grade quality and metadata display. Next, converting to FLAC. Use the official TAK codec from thbec.de to convert TAK files to FLAC or WAV format. The takec.exe command line tool unpacks TAK to WAV, which can then be re-encoded to FLAC using flacs.exe. DB PowerAmp Music Converter offers a graphical batch conversion interface with TAK plugin support for easier workflow. Finally, tagging and organizing. TAK files support APEV2 metadata tags like other lossless formats. Use MP3 tag or FooBar 2000's tag editor to add artist album track titles and album art. Properly tagged TAK files integrate well with music library managers, though some applications without TAK support may not display metadata correctly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.